Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wealthy Ways, your hub for motivation, personal growth, and financial empowerment. Ever find yourself daydreaming about the life of the wealthy where financial worries are a tale of the past? It might seem like a distant mountain peak, but the path to financial prosperity is well trodden. The journey from zero to a millionaire status isn't about overnight success or luck. It's about strategic moves, a robust mindset, and a relentless pursuit of financial intelligence. Today, we unfold the coveted secrets that self-made millionaires use to transition from pinching pennies to basking in financial abundance. Secret 1. Mindset Mastery. The journey to the million-dollar mark begins in the mind. Self-made millionaires swear by the power of a growth mindset, a belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's about embracing challenges head-on, learning from failures, and viewing setbacks as springboards towards success. They see a no as a not yet, fueling their resolve to keep pushing forward. They're not deterred by mistakes. Instead, they dissect them to glean lessons and strategies for the next venture. For instance, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, embraced the idea of failing forward, a mindset instilled by her father, which later became a cornerstone of her journey to becoming the youngest self-made female billionaire. Secret 2. Financial literacy. Next up, let's delve into the realm of financial literacy. Having a solid grasp on financial principles is your ticket to making informed money moves. It's about understanding how to budget, save, invest, and manage debt effectively. It's not just about earning money, it's about knowing how to grow it, how to protect it, and how to leverage it to generate more. Millionaires don't just work for money, they make their money work for them through wise investments and financial planning. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet, started his financial education by reading every investment book in his local library as a teenager. By honing your financial literacy, you set a solid foundation for making money moves that propel you closer to that coveted millionaire status. It's about growing your money smartly and ensuring your financial decisions align with your long-term wealth goals. Secret 3. Multiple income streams. Here's where the plot thickens. The wealthy don't rely on a single paycheck. They build multiple streams of income, side hustles, investments, real estate, stocks, and businesses. The channels are endless. Diversifying income streams is like building financial safety nets, ensuring that money keeps rolling in even when one stream dries up. It's about creating a financial ecosystem that's resilient and growth-oriented. Take Elon Musk, for example. His financial portfolio extends across multiple industries from automotive with Tesla to aerospace with SpaceX, each venture serving as a unique income stream. Now, it's true that we aren't all Elon Musks, but that doesn't mean multiple income streams are out of reach. There are many avenues to generate additional income in today's gig economy, like freelancing, stock market investing, drop shipping, or print on demand, or even a YouTube channel. Secret 4. Networking and mentorship. It's a collaborative climb. Building relationships with those who have already navigated the financial maze is invaluable. Networking isn't about schmoozing. It's about learning, exchanging value, and building supportive relationships. Mentorship accelerates the learning curve, helps avoid common pitfalls, and provides a source of motivation and accountability. It's not just about what you know, it's about who you know and who knows you. For instance, Mark Zuckerberg was mentored by Steve Jobs, a relationship that significantly influenced his approach to business. Expanding your network can open doors to opportunities that you might not have access to otherwise. It can lead to partnerships, investments, or even new client referrals. Moreover, having a mentor can provide you with insights and advice based on real-world experience, which is incredibly valuable. They've been through the trenches and can provide guidance on how to navigate the complex world of financial growth. Additionally, being around successful individuals can also significantly impact your mindset and drive, propelling you further towards your financial goals. Engaging in communities, attending industry events, or even reaching out to potential mentors online can kickstart your networking journey, providing a scaffold as you climb up the financial ladder. Secret 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated is non-negotiable. Continuous learning and adaptation are the names of the game. Whether it's learning new investment strategies, understanding market trends, or acquiring new skills, it's about staying relevant and competitive. Millionaires are in a constant state of learning, always looking for the next strategy to optimize their financial growth. For example, Bill Gates, a voracious reader, attributes a lot of his success to his never-ending quest for knowledge. Embracing a culture of perpetual learning allows you to pivot when necessary and seize new opportunities as they arise. It's about being open to new ideas and willing to step outside your comfort zone to accelerate your financial growth. The more you learn, the more you earn is a mantra many successful individuals live by. So consider dedicating time each day to expand your knowledge and stay curious, as this habit could significantly expedite your journey to the millionaire milestone. So, embarking on the millionaire journey is about embracing a holistic approach that melds mindset, financial education, diversified income, robust networks, and ceaseless learning. The climb may be steep, but the panoramic view from the financial summit is worth every step. So, equip yourself with these secrets, gear up for the climb, and remember, the path to $1 million begins with a single step. That's the scoop on scaling the millionaire mountain. Smash that like button, share the wealth of knowledge, and subscribe for more financial enlightenment. Your journey to the summit begins now. Until next time, stay savvy and